It's been a couple years since my last video about installing and or updating Discord. Figuring we're due for an update, you could open your browser, download the package, navigate to that spot, and use your terminal to install it. Or you could run a script that does all of those steps for you. And that should be good. And that should be Discord loading. Boom. Pulling up the code now. So the script just uses wget to pull the most recent stable Debian installer. Once it's downloaded, it renames it, and then it installs the recently downloaded Discord Debian package. Now we've got this set up in a way where it overwrites the last version, which is good for saving disk space. And you could use this script as a template for anywhere that you need to continuously manually download packages to do updates, although I feel like that's really a Discord exclusive at the moment. And you could either hook it into a cron job or just run it manually as it comes up. And of course, this isn't exclusive to update packages. You could do this with any file. And since it's been a few weeks and I know that I'm going to be due to update Discord again, we can watch what's going on in the directory in real time. You'll see the file being downloaded appear as our terminal makes the call out to the website, and the moment the download was completed, it overwrote the old file. And in the time that I've been talking, the installation has already completed. Noting the system time, you'll see that the file we just downloaded is already 5 days old, which was the time the file was last modified and or published to the website. By explicitly requesting this asset, which we already know is stale and needs to be updated, we are able to save both ourselves and the publisher bandwidth, which is a good thing. Use this for good. If you know why I have to say that, feel free to explain it in the comments below. Otherwise, YouTube thinks that you might be interested in this video right over here. Thank you so much for watching and have an awesome day.